Sonic Speed Boost experiment, take 1. Slingshot. Everyone ready?
Ready!
Ready!
Tails, are you sure this is safe?
Oh, right. Almost forgot. Hit it, Sticks! Sonic Speed Boost experiment, take 2. Operation Rocket Skates.
Hold on. My head's still pounding from the last go.
He said go!
Wait, what?
Oh no, Sonic! You scuffed my skates.
Sonic Speed Boost experiment, take 3. The moving sidewalk. Since Sonic's so fast on solid ground, logic dictates if the ground is moving, he'd be even faster.
This one doesn't look so bad.
Oh! I missed that last part. Can we do it again?
Okay, you guys, I'll be the first to admit my speed boost experiments were a tad inconclusive.
Does inconclusive mean the same thing as hilarious?
You know what they say, no pain, no gain.
I'm sorry if this was painful for you, Tails.
I'm okay. Without your broken ribs, I would never have invented this. My ultrasonic speed amplifier.
Subscribe to the Cartoon Network channel for more awesome videos.